Did you know that dogs and humans have similar immune system?
Unlike other animals, dogs and humans share the same mucosal immune system, which means external cavities such as the nose and mouth, and some places inside the body such as the intestines and respiratory system are lined with an epithelial tissue called mucous membrane. This tissue does exactly what it sounds like. It secretes mucus. This mucus acts as a fluid protectant thick enough to stop unwanted dirt and pathogens from making their way into the body. Though this method of defense is usually quite effective, there are still instances where a virus can make its way past this barrier, infecting the body. When this happens, the body releases protein molecules called antibodies through way of the lymphocytes. The antibodies work hard to defend the body from the virus, but it can take some time to prepare the antibodies' response. Unfortunately, this pause in action with a stronger virus, such as the measles, can allow enough time for the virus to spread, making the host sicker and sometimes even killing the host before the antibodies can effectively carry out a plan of attack. This is why today we have the miracle of vaccinations. Now, there have been recent hesitations around the use of vaccinations, misinformation is spread, and people worry. Allow me to put your worries to rest. Vaccines are medically engineered with a dead and or weakened strain of a virus that, when injected into the body, instead of causing an infection, causes the immune system to release antibodies. It will still take some time for the antibodies to execute their attack on the weakened strain. When they're through, the body will be familiar with the virus, so when or if it comes into contact with the live version, it will remember what it has come in contact with before and know how to effectively put a stop to the virus before it can further infect the body.
Today I received permission from both the owner of the dog as well as the head of Cedar Valley Veterinary Center to administer an allergen immunotherapy shot called Cited. This shot will help combat the side effects of allergic reactions such as itching and redness as seen on his paws. So the next time flu season comes around or your pet is due for a checkup, make sure to get your vaccinations.